think we got it right. It's recording, right?
Towards the person next to you.
Are you kidding? I've decided to do something crazy. We are at the studio. I hired actually my friend who has a business marketing reels and stuff like that for Instagram for my business. So he is on the way and we're gonna film some Instagram reels and I'm gonna take you guys along the way because I'm like used to talking in front of my camera by myself but not in front of other people and not with like a script, and normally I edit everything myself, so I'm like giving up control and I'm exhausted.
How does that look? When I say go is when it's the final one, okay? When you start checking, oh my god. How much do you charge for this? I'm gonna start. You gotta tell me when this shit's going in my eye, bro. I literally feel like it's going in my eye. You
Not in your eye.
Okay. I literally told my girlfriend today, you need to start taking me to Pilates. I think we got it, right? It's recording, right?
It's recording. Free facial.
Free facial.
Okay guys, it's the next day. Basically filming content was a lot, and so I went home and went to bed. It was so much. That was like my designated off day that I ended up working, so I was just tired. We have been at the studio all day. I have my next client coming in that we're going to record. I will just take you guys behind the scenes of what I do when I'm actually recording videos. Later tonight we are going to a bar class, but it's outside, so it's fitness on the lawn, and I love to go every Tuesday out here. They have it, it's free. That is the day that we're having. We are doing an acne boot camp so that I can post it on Meta Ads, and it's actually with my Starbucks barista. I met her in the Starbucks drive-thru. But yeah, after her I have one more client. I've had seven clients today, so your girl's tired, but it's 3:30, so I only have like 2.5 hours left of work.
I don't really know how much like sun will eat you.
It's insane. Ready for layer 2?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we just finished that. I have one more facial and then we're done for the day. So let's set up the bed. I'm gonna finish this facial and I'll be back.
Stay hovering, make a promise towards the person next to you. Beautiful. Yes, hinging back and forth. Beautiful. Really engaging those abdominal muscles here. Back in at 1, take it back an inch. And up an inch. Point your waistband nice and close.
I was shaking. All right. Guys, I just want to show you a little behind the scenes. Sorry, I'm on my phone. My camera's charging. Of me trying to film reels before I go to work. I have 10 minutes to finish. My camera's charging because it started dying, and this is the mess that we've created. Send help. Behind the scenes. Guys, I just finished filming 2 reels. I wanted to film 3, but I didn't charge my camera. So this is behind the scenes of when things just don't work out the way they should. Also, I have 10 minutes to leave my house. So let's get ready for work at the studio and take you behind the scenes of the rest of my day. I don't really need to film the last video because it doesn't need to be up until Monday. So that's just going with the flow. We gotta go with the flow. Let's go before my camera dies. I've decided to do something crazy. We're at Best Buy and we're gonna go buy a laptop. I had my first client of the day and my second client canceled last minute. And the busier I'm getting with people and having consistent clients, like completely booked days, the more I'm having people last minute cancel and then not being able to fill the spots immediately. Just having my days sometimes fall apart. I think that's just part of this industry. It's no hate to anybody I know, life happens. I've realized I waste a lot of time at the studio in between clients where it's not like enough time to go home and get work done, but if I had a laptop then I could edit and order and stuff like that. So let's go buy a laptop. Like, that's a little crazy because I just had this idea randomly. Okay guys, the bag is secured. The laptop has been bought. I may be having buyer's remorse, but I think it was a good purchase. I think it'll save me a lot of time in the long run. About an hour and 15 minutes until my next client comes. So we're going to get a little snacky, I think. And then I have my one client, who's my friend actually, and then I have a 2-hour gap. So that's when we will open up the laptop and start our editing journey on her. Oh my gosh, guys. It's finally raining here. Guys, it's literally downpouring. It hasn't rained here in like 5 months. Okay, let's run in. We made it home and we've got the goods. I already opened it at the studio and was working. And honestly, buyer's remorse is gone. I feel like it was so worth it. I got so much done and by the time I set it up, only really had like an hour to work. And I still feel like I got such a head start on all the stuff that I have to do tonight. I ended up getting the MacBook Air because I was like, I don't need anything heavy duty like the MacBook Pro because I do have my desktop computer edit on at home, so I just needed something for the studio. But yeah, this is her. I ended up getting the midnight color, and yeah, just the smallest one to be able to like throw in my bag and do work on. Yeah, I have some more editing to do. I have to edit this video, but before I leave you guys, I got a couple packages, so let's open them real quick. Fragile. Okay, this one I think is PR. I was right, she is skincare from, I don't know if I'm gonna say this right, Mano? I don't know how to say it. Someone correct me, please. So I got a couple different skincare things. You guys wonder how I get PR. This one was from actually TikTok Shop. I want to start making videos on TikTok of like, is this esthetician approved skincare or a makeup product? So if you're curious if I think these are esthetician approved, make sure you guys follow me on TikTok because I will be posting that soon. But we have an Air Light moisturizing sunscreen. This is glutathione dark spot serum patch. I don't know what that means. And then glutathione spot serum. Okay, next one I got, I actually already opened because, sorry. This is a new supplement that actually my boyfriend got me started on before I even started this one. He got me started on this brand, and at first I was like, that is disgusting. It's beef organs, which just doesn't really sound like my cup of tea. But of course then you just relate it back to skin and hormonal health, and I'm all here for it. So this is the Her Package one. This one is supposed to be really great for like just your natural hormones. Yeah, so it should help a lot with any like hormonal acne and just like hormone fluctuations and stuff like that. So I just started taking this literally like a day ago. So I will let you guys know what I think of this, but I've already taken just their normal beef organ one and then also their skin and nails, and I really like it. A lot of any like skin supplements are really hard to take because they break you out more. And if you're wondering again how I got this as PR, I got it through a company called The Lobby. Super cutie. They just sent this info about them and then a cute little sticker. And then the last thing I got, I actually bought myself. They got me, guys. TikTok Shop got me. I have seen this all over. It's a workout bodysuit, but it's this backless little jumpsuit with shorts, and it has pads in it. I'm a weirdo about like sports bras with pads. I like having pads. I know people hate it, but I need it. It is long sleeve, so it's still a little hot here to wear in Vegas, but pretty soon it should be cooling off. So I'm gonna try her on real quick and I'll show you. Guys, I'm obsessed. Are you kidding? It's so cute. I've worked out my back about 2 times ever in my life, but I was like, this is what I would wear to a back day. And like, for being completely backless, it actually feels really supportive. Obviously, I don't have a lot of the girls to support, but she feels supported if I needed it. So cute. I'm literally obsessed. The bottoms are a little bit tight for me, but not like too tight to wear. I'm so here for it. I will have the link down below, the TikTok Shop, because it was so good. I got it for, I think it was like 20 bucks. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Sorry, I know it was a little bit all over the place. It's just been my life this week. Has just been a little overwhelming and everywhere. I have a really, really, really exciting vlog next week. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will see you guys next Thursday.